Welcome back to Restoration ERP. Now I will show you how to add vendor contact to a vendor. First again, find the company that you want to add it. Go to the vendor contacts. Then you will see that I already have some where you can see all the information about them. But I will click on here to create a new one. Let's see, add the first name, the last name, the title, the email, of course, and then you can link them to a vendor. So I will link my vendor here, my vendor contact here to a vendor, and I can also link that to a building. Then fill out the phone number and then the address. And then submit. And now you have all the information in this part here, along with the buildings and the main vendor that they are linked to.